What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus 6T. This is actually my first OnePlus device and I'm very excited to see how this phone is. I've read a lot of reviews, good reviews, videos on YouTube about how good this phone is, so I finally got my hands on one and I'm going to put it through its paces and see how well it stack up against an iPhone, the Galaxy phones. And for the rest of this video, I'm not going to talk, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up, leave me a message, a comment. If you can, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.